Hi, welcome to another Visla tutorial. Today we're diving into one of our newest feature enhancements, uploading your own voiceover. With your AI-generated videos, you can now upload your own voiceover files directly within each project. Then Visla's AI will match the voiceover to each scene. This way you can let Visla generate the script and visuals while using the voiceover that matches your business needs. Let me show you how it works. Start by creating a video in Visla. With voiceover upload, you can use any of these inputs except for voice and video. So let's say I want to create a video companion for one of our latest blogs. I'll copy that link, click on blog, paste the URL, and generate. If you have an existing script, you can always use the text input to generate a video.
Welcome to the video on the importance of AI ethics in business.
So we have our video. Now let's add our voiceover. Go into the editing space and expand the audio menu. The first section here is for voiceover. Click on Upload Voiceover for All and select your voiceover. Click Continue. You can upload MP3, WAV, or M4A files for your voiceovers. These voiceover files don't have to be your own voice recording. It could also be an AI voiceover that you generate from another tool. Once the voiceover is uploaded, you can play each scene to double check that the voice alignment is correct. In today's business landscape, AI ethics plays a crucial role in Let's explore the concept of AI ethics and its relevance in the business world. Great! Doing this saves so much time. Instead of recording the voiceover scene by scene, I can record the whole script in one go and upload directly to my project. If you're creating faceless videos with custom voiceovers, this feature enhancement is a huge game changer. Try it out and let us know what you think.